Hi everyone and welcome back again. Today is just going to be another normal shiny hunt because Professor Willow's still away, but I have used a rare candy on Drowsy so we can evolve that in a moment. Item bag's full. I'm not bothered about facing this grunt to be honest at the moment until after we've got the route up. Have a quick look, see if there's any 1-star raids. Raids. Not that I'm going to get to, I don't think. You know what, we'll start off with this grunt battle today. Chuck in my buddy and I'll swap you for Resh. We'll go with that. Gonna smash 2 million XP today though, that is for sure. Finished on 1,977,000 yesterday, so should get well over 2 million by the end of this route. Bag is rammed. It's the start of a new week. Got my rewards for walking 50k or whatever it was that I walked last week. So just any shiny today is the aim. Oop, slow off the mark there. Shazad's going to have enough, you know. Oh, he is. If this doesn't work, the next one will. Oh. And that is game over. With him getting knocked out, to be fair. Just make some room. Oh, come on. Crawfish. Not more research, I'm guessing then. It's 5 great throws. Five great throws, that's why I'm going to raid. So we need to find a raid. Also need to find a shiny. I've had shinies, Elf, Burmy and Bronzor. Oh, sorry, Bronzor already. How full is this item bag? Ugh. Right, so I'm not spinning a Pokestops anytime soon. Because I've got so many revives and potions that my item bag is full. I don't want to waste them on raids that I'm not going to win. You can waste one of them on Dragonite. Nobody to revive. None of my Pokemon have been knocked out of gyms in the last 28 hours. It's unfortunate because I need one of them too so that I can upgrade either my inventory or my Pokemon storage. quick look to see if anyone's online. Only 2 people. And hopefully if we get a rating back from them, that'll be a plus. I just want a shiny, I haven't had one for a few days. It's cold. It's a nice day and a half come out, it's cold and it wants to rain. Sod's law. I believe we've got an egg. How have I not got an egg incubating? Oh, that was clever. Well, that's not going to happen now today. Just sworn I'd put a 5k in to end today. Must have been dreaming. Ooh. Feeling I will catch you with the pink variety. What else arrived? Swablu. Let's try this Soul Rock. What? Let's take out this gym. Light work. Next, nursery. Don't want to walk too far, so I can actually put somebody in here. Right, that's that defeated. Now, let me pop in. Who are we popping in? Cool Dragonite. Raid Pass. Oh, another bloody revive. Evolve the one and then not too bad. So now we shoot a Sunkern or an Oddish. That is as up to date as I can be. that could be difficult. Organite or Kabuto, Lilip or Amarith, and Aerodactyl. Did I check the Drifloon? Drifloon. It is nippy as hell. Of course. Of course he ran away. Still full, okay. Right, incidents are going on. We'll clear this little section. How full are we? Oh, well and truly. We'll go for a Marwile then. I might have to bin off a bunch of revives and potions. Just checking everything, so much popping up around here. So let me click on this Drifloon, is it? There it is. Pack, no, and the Lady Bars run away. Right, let's have a look at these items. Oh, 76. You know what, I'm binning 16. I'm going to bin 6 of them. Just so that we've got something to use. Cast form, absolute crap. Drifloon. Of course, get a revive back straight away. I swear, as soon as you bin something, it gives you it straight back. Right, returning on daily incense, hopefully. We get at least one of the Pokemon we're after. The Sunkern, the Gloom, and what were the others? Kabuto, Omanyte, Lilip or Amarith. Aerodactyl will come from a battle with Cliff. I can almost guarantee that's what that'll come from. I cannot wait to get home and get in the warmth. flares. Oh no, it's an Almohada. It's almost what we needed. Just a bit too good for once. That was too hard. That's better. Still not good enough to catch it. Let's try a one of them. There we go. It's counted it, so we'll take that as a W. Just need another one now. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. Of course he had to go and move. It's gonna run. Yeah. Knew that was gonna happen. We've got the Maltese, we nearly had the Articuno. Although we didn't really have the Articuno at all. At least that's an easier thumbnail to find. Jigglypuff. Stupid thing. Oh, give me a Kabuto or something. Oh, non-shiny Eevee. Right, one more great throw. Can we get it before we get to the next Pokestop? 2 opportunities. One opportunity. It's too hard. I knew that was as soon as I let go. Damn it. Of course it turns up now. Damn pigeon. That was only nice anyway. Throw at that Galarian Articuno was awful. But I've now seen all three. Come on, give me something good. It's a monkey. Of all the things to give me a monkey. That's one I'm not too fussed about. Any raids? Nope. Anyone else online yet? Nope. It's a shame. Absolutely gutted. You know what, Soul Rock keeps popping up, so we might as well give it one. Well, not that eventful. Come on, give me a lily or a card lily. We've got 7 minutes left of the incense. Come on, incense, do your magic. Oh yeah, ponytail. I mean, I'll take an excellent throw all day, but not when that happens. When you throw a nice and this happens every time, your fault. As if I'm not interested, mate. Nothing exciting. Ay. Give me a cluster of Pokemon up here and give me something good. I mean, I'll take an Abra for now. Right, there's going to be 3 or 4 pop up at least on this Pokestop. Glameow. What else are we going to get? Magikarp. Lechonk. Of course, another piggyback. We'll go for the cart. Shush. No. Lechonk, sod off, get out my way. We want Gary. And if he's not there when we come back, I'm going to be pissed. That was an awful throw. He's going to get away as well. He's going to run. Knew it. It had rubbish stats anyway. Not that I know. Just hoping the brain it did. There's Mateo. Let's quickly exchange a gift with. Oops. With him as a Darumaka appears. No worries, Mateo. Of course, the Darumaka disappears as well. Well, we've had Gyarados and we've had the Galarian Articuno both do runners on us. No shiny, no raids. Not a great day, but we'll go again tomorrow. We are finishing today's episode, once I get the 4,000 for this, on a grand total of 2,031,000, so 50 in 75 tomorrow. Let's watch you guys, and I will catch you in the next one.
Stop it. Get some help.